Hello everyone, I'm talking to you from the great beyond. But more seriously, my family is sick with COVID, so we thought it would be a good idea to pre-record a puzzle announcement. So here we go. This season of ZK Puzzles is all about hand-wavy security proofs. And what that means is that when you design a new protocol, you take some cryptographic primitives, you combine them in some clever way, and you end up with a protocol that you now have to prove the security for. And that's a lot of work. So sometimes you want to take some shortcuts. And one of the shortcuts you can take is to refer to other protocols which look similar and say, hey, this team has already proven the security of their protocol and my protocol is pretty much the same. So my protocol is just as secure, isn't it? Well, sometimes that's true, but sometimes that's completely false and you end up with a broken protocol that is not secure at all. And that's what happened in the puzzle called Gamma Ray, which is a puzzle that was written by Andrea and I from Geometry Research, where we have a person that's designed a system that is inspired by two different other systems. One of them is Zcash, where you have private transactions and you have a commitment tree, you have accounts, you have public keys, you have nullifiers. And the other system is Mina, where you have the lightest blockchain and you use recursion and blockchain compression. And if you remember, the original Mina design uses the M&T cycle of curves, which is what this person is using in their system. And because you have this cycle of curves, you can do recursion and then achieve this blockchain compression property. But because of the specific nature of these curves, you don't end up with the same security of the Zcash system, even though you refer to the same exact proofs. And your task is to create two different nullifiers for the same public key, which would imply that you can double spend the system and drain it completely, which is very, very bad. So what you need to do is you need to solve this puzzle fast, because the fastest solvers get prizes. You can submit your solutions up until Tuesday noon next week. You can also do a write-up, where in this write-up you describe what was the problem, what was the wrong argument, how you exploited the system, and maybe the way that it should have been designed and so on. And that write-up could also win prizes. So yeah, I hope you have lots of fun. We'll be around the Discord channels to answer questions, all the Geometry Research team. We will also release some hints during the week. We will release day after day. So the first hint will be released tomorrow. We will have 3 hints total. And that's it. Back to you, Anna.